real straws. We have paper straws.
Do we have any real straws anymore, honey?
Yeah, we have a lot of real straws.
Nice. Ta-da!
Show her our dogs.
We got a couple extra assistants here. Bo, what am I saying? Baba.
Bo Burnham.
Hey, Baba.
Okay, so we have Dad. We have 2 straws of the same size. 2 different straws, one for the peroxide, one for the liver, so that we don't cross-contaminate.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna take 1 drop of the liver. In the
Bring the plate a little closer.
Ew! Oh my gosh. Okay. And now I'm gonna take 1 drop of the hydrogen peroxide. So, what is happening is the catalase is breaking down the poisonous peroxide because the catalase is still alive, and it's breaking it down and turning it into oxygen and water, which is why the little white bubbles came up. So, to test the effect of acid on the liver enzyme, put 1 teaspoon of the blended liver into a bowl. Okay, I'm gonna use one of these tiny bowls that we have here.
Okay.
I need a teaspoon of vinegar. That's 1/4 of a teaspoon. 1/2 a teaspoon.
Yes.
1 teaspoon. Okay, now we need vinegar. Perfect, okay. A little bit of that. And then mix it with 1 teaspoon of blended liver. Yummy! Okay, now we're gonna mix it. I'll describe the color and consistency of this mixture. So, it's a water-like consistency, and it's a brown, burgundy, reddish brown. It's not the most pleasant thing I've ever seen.
No.
But it's there. Okay. So now I'm just gonna do this on a different plate. So I'm just gonna put 1 drop. I don't know how much more. I feel like I should
Put a
do
couple
the same amount
drops
of
because that
drops.
thing it doesn't get too thick. 1 more. It's probably
Just like
good.
the other
Yeah.
one. Do you think this is enough?
That's about the same, yeah, I'd say.
Okay.
Seems to have a similar reaction.
Okay. Now it says in your video answer, compared with the untreated blended liver, did more or less about the same amount of bubbles form? Did they form more slowly, quickly, or about the same rate?
They look bigger, don't they?
Actually, yeah.
The bubbles.
Good observation,
widen.
Dad. So the bubbles formed a lot slower, and there's less of them, and they're bigger. To test the effect of a base, put 1 teaspoon of blended liver in a bowl. Mix it with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, next thing, we're gonna need another bowl. So 2/2 teaspoons, which is a whole teaspoon.
Yep.
That's 1/2. Now that that's done, we're going to mix it. And I'm gonna use this. Or should I? Yep. Okay. Okay. The color is a little bit lighter than the vinegar mixture, I'd say. The consistency is a little bit thicker, so it's like a little bit gloopy. Is that a word?
Gloopy?
Yeah.
I think it is now.
It is now. 1 drop of the mixture on a clean part of the plate. Still same type of straw. Okay, now 1 drop of hydrogen peroxide. You think that's enough?
Perfect. Ooh.
The straw touched it, so I can't put the straw back in the peroxide.
Oh, I think you had enough, so you're good. Wow. Observations?
That one's a lot faster.
Right?
And there's a lot more bubbles, so it's like a little mountain. And they formed a lot quicker than all the other tests that we have done.
Yeah. And the bubbles look a little bit smaller in size than.
Yeah, these bubbles are a little bit more tiny.
Yeah.
And notice these bubbles have already gone away and these bubbles are still here.
Mm-hmm.
Even though these ones have been here longer. Okay. And now we're gonna test the effective heat on catalase or catalase.
Ah.
So I need another bowl. So 1, 2,
You say how long to microwave it?
20 seconds.
Or
20 seconds. Ew, that's really nasty. What in the world?
oh my gosh. Yeah. What a lovely smell you have.
What does it
Yeah.
smell like? Because I can't smell.
It smells like burnt liver.
What does liver oh my gosh, never mind. Now the cells inside of the liver are dead because they've been cooked. And when catalase is, when it's too hot and the catalase can't form shape, it's like it's shaped around the poisons or something.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so it can't be reused, so it dies.
And so it can't react?
Because usually the catalase, you can reuse it for the enzymes, you can reuse it. It gets reused for different, yeah. It looks like lava, you know? It looks like dry lava, but it doesn't look like dry lava. It kind of looks like frosting, but a really nasty colored frosting that's been like out for a while.
That looks like frosting to
Yeah, sometimes frosting does that.
Okay. To me, it almost looks like mud, like
Oh, it does look like mud.
baked mud.
Like the Adobe bricks.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
Adobe bricks, which is also made of cow manure. Remove a drop-sized amount of the heated liver and put it onto a clean part of the plate. It feels weird. It feels like eggs if they've been sitting on the plate for literally forever.
Okay.
It kind of feels like rubber. Add a drop of peroxide to it, which I need another thing for, I guess. That should be good enough. And absolutely nothing happened. Because there's nothing to break down the poisons. The one with the baking soda worked best. Why? I don't know why.
Because it's a base?
Because I don't know. It worked better with that type of base.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So you have to do some research,
yeah.
but you know that one seemed to work better because it reacted more, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was the one with nothing added to it,
Nothing
and
to
it was
it.
completely,
It's just the liver.
yeah. This one worked the worst because it produced absolutely no bubbles because all the
Good
enzymes
point.
were dead.
Good point. So that's the worst. Second worst.
Second best. Wait, no, second best, and then the best.
Yeah.
The best was, yeah, the one with the baking soda. Then the nothing, and then the vinegar, and then the dead cells.
Got it.
That's it. Now we're going to correctly dispose of everything.
And you'll clean it up for your mom.
Sure.